So again here in this lecture we will learn how to create the links in HTML files. Links in HTML are used for navigation from one page to the another page, one website to the another website, and in most common practice that we follow in the HTML, or mostly we see the HTML pages before see number of links are created over there, that is used for navigation from one page to the another page, one website to the another website. So here we will learn how to create the links in the HTML. So in order to create the links in HTML file, we have already created a file as like previous, that is link.html, in which we have written the header section. In the body section we have to write the link, create the links. Okay, so in order to create the links we have to use the anchor element. So here is the way of using the anchor element. For that we have to write a. Here we have to give the hyperreference of the element, hyperreference of the page or location or URL that we wanted to locate. So for that we have to use to href. Okay, here we have to give the URL of the file that we wanted to link. Okay, so in this case we are making a link to the local file that we have already created with a text. Okay, so here I just give the, I have created a file with the name of my full page .html that we have already created over here. So here we close this, and in between here I have to write the text that will be created as a link for the user to visit this file. Click here to visit my full page. Okay, got it. Now save this file, open your browser. Here in the file explorer you have to go to the folder my.html that we have created in the on the desktop, and here we have to find the file. Okay, link.html, right click on this and open it with the Chrome. Here we see we have found a text over there. Click here to visit my full page. Okay, so this way a link is created with the text. If we click on this, we will see a file with the name of my full page.html. Okay, so this way if a link is created in the HTML. So if we want that this link should be open in the another window, so for that we have to use the another attribute of target anchor element, that is target. Okay, in the target we just have to write underscore blank. Save this, refresh it, again click over here, and this time this link is open in the another window. This is our existing window and link is open in the another window. This is just because of reason we have given the value over here target is equal to this way. So this is a link created to a local file. Simultaneously we can create a link to the file that is located in the on the another server. So for that we have to again follow the same path, say anchor element, then hyperreference, and say by clicking on this link we will be directed the user to visit the site w3school.com. So here we have to give the complete URL of the file, say https, because this file is located on the hypertext server. HTTP protocol has to be used over here. then we have to use www.w3school.com. okay, and the same way we just can give the target over here as underscore blank, because we wanted to open this file in new window, and here we write click to visit W3 school. You just want to save it, refresh. Now this way a link is created over here. You might see this link color and you see this link color, both having different color. So this is just because of the reason this is the visited link and this is the new link. Okay, but so this can be done with the help of v link, a link, and link element, link attribute of the body that we have learned already. So this way, if we click on this, this will open the website w3school.com. refuse to connect. I think there might be certain error with the protocol that we have used over here. So for that, but simply what we can do is just go to this site and we just copy this, copy over here. Here you see the difference, control V. You see the difference, but it is written wrong over here. I think we don't have used a slash sign over there, so this is the mistake. So this is the correct way of writing this. Okay, save this, control S, and just refresh this file. Now this is our visited link, so this is also our visited link. That links we have already clicked over here, so that is they are going to be having the same color over here. So just click on this file, you will see. Simultaneously we can create a link to this file using a image also. Instead of this text, if we use image, then we can also create the link to this file. For that, we just add a VR element over here, that is line break element. For this I will also use break element at the end, and here I just start creating a link. Say I just copy this and here I paste this, control B. But instead of this text, I just wanted to use image over here. So for that I have to use img. In the img I have to give the source. Okay, in the source we have to give the location of the image that we wanted to insert over here. So in that case I have already downloaded on the desktop. If I go to my HTML, and here I have downloaded a file, that is image file. The name of the image file is w3s and the extension of this file is gif. So I will give the path of this file. So this w3s dot gif, you know the how to insert the images in this, we have already done. Save it, again go to your, and in the link just click on this. Now this way you see an image is inserted over here. Okay, so if we click on this image, it will again open the file, that is w3school.com. okay, so this way we just can create a link to the link with the image. Same way, if we wanted to give the information, now if we w3 school, if we wanted to give some tool tips to the user what to do with these links, we just can use another another attribute of the anchor element, that is title. Here we can specify the target. Click for w3school.com. Okay, now save this, refresh it. Now if we move our pointer to this location, we will see a text will be displayed over there as a tooltips, that is click for w3school.com, that we can achieve using the title elements. So this way we can create the links in HTML files that are used for navigating or moving from one page to another page and moving back to page. That's way we can learn how to create the links in the HTML file. That's all for the now.